My dear, I am the first video to pop up on your YouTube search for how to make braids. Please click on me because I have got the best tags and this is my beautiful thumbnail. Please click on me.
I don't like this video. I'm just going to scroll to the next one. Nah, what an ugly thumbnail.
Hey dear, I am the second video to pop up on your YouTube search because I have got lovely tags and this is my beautiful thumbnail. Please click on me.
Hell no, this one is definitely not an auction. What an ugly one. Next.
Hey dear, I am the 10th video to pop up on your YouTube search and I've got just 5 tags. This is my thumbnail. Please click on me.
Wow, look at those braids. I am definitely going to watch this video. Okay, click.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. Tovia Ogun is all about lifestyle, vlogs, food, tips and tutorials and how you can grow your YouTube channel. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, please subscribe to this amazing family. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. As usual, before we begin every video, I would like to give a shout out to the first 5 people who commented on my last video.
Hey Tovians, thank you for commenting on my video. I love you all. Please keep supporting. Thank you.
If you would like to get a shout out from me, what you need to do is to be the first 5 people to comment on this particular video right now, and then you will get a shout out from me on my next video. So today I was just like, what am I gonna wear? I don't know what to wear. I was just confused and I decided to wear this beautiful heart of mine. So let me know in the comment section if you like this art, if it's good on me. Please let me know. I want to know. Okay, thank you. So guys, on today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own eye-catching thumbnail. Oh yeah, like you saw on the intro, your thumbnail matters a lot. It will determine if people are going to click on your video or not. No matter how good your video is with tags or any other thing, if you just don't have that right thumbnail, nobody is going to click on your video. Like I always tell you guys, make sure your thumbnail has the result of your video. What do I mean? Like this particular video right now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own thumbnail. So what I'm supposed to do with my thumbnail is to make sure I add at least the final result of the thumbnail I'm going to be showing you guys on my own particular thumbnail of this video. So that's what you want to do. Whatever thing you've done on your video, you want to make sure that you add that result to your thumbnail, so people will be like, okay, that is what I'm going to be getting at the end of this video, so I want to go watch it, I want to click on it. Make sure your thumbnail is that clickbait thumbnail that when people see it, they want to definitely click on it, because your video can still rank as #1. It could be the first to pop up on YouTube search, but at the end of the day, nobody is gonna click on it if your thumbnail is not good. Because I've seen so many thumbnails filled with text, or having little text, or having text that you can't even read from your mobile phones. These are not good thumbnails, and these are not going to make people click on your videos. And if people don't click and watch your videos, you are not going to get that views, and at the same time you are not going to get that subscribers. So you want to make sure that you just have the right thumbnail that people are going to click on it and people are going to love. So before I get into this video, I'm just going to show you guys some few thumbnails I was making last night. I was just playing around thinking I don't know which one to show you guys, so I'm just going to show you guys some of those thumbnails and tell me which one is your favorite among all of these thumbnails, because these are thumbnails that are so good and clickable and clickbait. Yes, those are the kind of thumbnails you want to start making. Anyways, without further ado, we are going to get right into this video right now.
Hey guys, so to start making your thumbnail, you want to decide on the background that you want, because your background matters a lot and it will determine if people are going to click on your video or not. So you can either use the very background that is going to be with your photo that you take with your camera or your phone camera, or you could just go and download new backgrounds. Like for me, I always use new background, but sometimes I use my very photo background, but sometimes I just change. So if you're going to use your very photo background, then you can just wait, or if you want to download a new background like I'm going to do, then let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Chrome app or your Safari, anyone is fine. Now you want to type in backgrounds. So go to images and then just go through everyone, choose the one you want for your photo. So just make your choice And then once you're done, you're going to save it to your phone. But I already have the background which I'm going to be using, so I'm not going to re-download any one. So once you've saved your background, you want to close your Chrome and then open eraser. So what we are going to do here is to take away the background of the photo that we are going to be using. So in order to do that, you're going to click on the four corner stuff up there. Go pick the photo that you want. So once you've picked the photo that you want to use, then you're going to click on the erase part. And then just choose the width and the offset of the console that you're going to be using to clean off the background, and just keep doing this until you have something perfect, smooth, and then you don't have any extra background there. But if you have any other app that you're using to take away background, just go ahead and use your favorite app. Feel free to use any app you want to use, as long as you do not have any other background on your photo, because we can be having two backgrounds. So that's what we're basically going to do. So once you're done taking away the background and everything, you want to save your photo. Now once you've saved your photo, the next thing you want to do is to close this eraser app. So the next thing you want to do is to open your Picsart app, and then click on the purple sign below, and then go to all photos. Look for the background that we just downloaded. Scroll and just look for your background, and then take your background. And so once you are in this part, what we need to do is to make sure that the size of this background is the right size for our YouTube thumbnail, because the YouTube thumbnail has a particular size and you don't want to use the wrong size. Otherwise, some parts are going to crop off your photo and some parts are going to be off. So you want to click on the part that says tools. Now click on the part that says crop. Then you want to just scroll to the last thing that has YouTube on it. That one is the YouTube thumbnail. So click on YouTube and then click on apply. My photo already has that very size, but if yours is not, you can just move it to the part that you want, and then you click on apply. So here we are with the right size. Now the next thing you want to do is to add your photo, which is that photo that we just used eraser for. So just look for the part that says add photo under here, and then click on it. Now look for your photo, the one you just used eraser for, and then click on add. So you want to resize this photo. You can put it by the side, you can put it in the middle, you can put it anywhere, just depending on you, make your choice. I just like mine in the middle, but I'm going to increase the size a little bit. So I kind of like my ear. So it is up to you, make your choice, but I'm going to add a little bit of size to it. So I'm okay with that. Now the next thing you want to do is to add your text. This is the part that does my magic, I think. Anyway, so to add your text, you're going to click on the part that says text. The video I'm making right now is how to make a thumbnail. So I'm just going to name it like that and type how to make. I'm not going to add a thumbnail yet because it's going to go under like this and I don't want that. So I'm just going to say how to make and say okay. Put it by the side, resize it a little bit, and then click off, and then click on test again. I want to write my thumbnail, and okay. So I'm gonna resize that a little bit and just put it there for now until I find the particular font that I need. Now the magic I always say, so you want to click on the text again and then look for the font that you want. Just go through the font. Please don't use font that is not readable. Like a font like this, nobody's going to be able to read it. You don't want to use any font like that. So just make sure you have the right font, readable font, and font that people are going to understand. Sorry. So just keep scrolling and look for the font that you like. Make your choice. So once you've decided on the font that you're going to use, you want to resize it to fit. Now the next thing you want to do is to use stroke on your text. This is what makes it visible for people. So you want to click on stroke, and then you want to take this to the end. You can choose not to take it to end, but I always take mine to the end. Stroke again, take it to the end. Can't you see how beautiful that is right now? Yeah, but I'm gonna just shift this a little bit again. So once you've stroked, then the next thing you want to do is to click on shadow. So the part that says blurry, you can just increase that a little bit, and then do the same for the thumbnail shadow. increase that a little bit. So it depends on you how you want yours to look, but I just like it like this because it makes the text more visible for people. You can still increase it or you can still lower it. If you also choose to change the color of your text, feel free to do that, but I just love white. That's just me. So now the next thing you want to do is to add photos. I want to add like a sign saying this is for YouTube, so people will know that how to make YouTube thumbnail. And I'm just going to add the YouTube logo to it. Click on add photo. Any photo you want to add, this is where you got to do it. I'm just going to click on add photo. And then look for your YouTube logo or any photo that you want to use. And click add. So then resize it. Just resize it to fit. And then I want to add the Picsart logo to tell people that I'm using Picsart to show you guys how to make this thumbnail. So I'm going to click on add photo again, look for my Picsart logo, and then click add. So I'm just going to resize that and then put it. So for now, I want to add other text saying I'm using Picsart. So for example, how to make thumbnail using Picsart. So I'm just going to click on text and write using Picsart, and I'm just going to click OK and then put that down here. Look for the fonts that I like. And guys, just make sure you do not click on the font with the crown. Those ones are the pro versions. If not, you will not be able to save your photo once it is time for you to save it. So make sure you use the font that are not pro, and then use fonts that are readable, please. Very, very important. So I like this particular font called Average Sounds. So next thing you want to do is to click on stroke again because you want that to be visible. So I like it that way. So you want to click on the color and just look for the color that you want. If maybe you didn't find any color that you want here, you can just click on the gradient color and then you can go make a new choice. Just make something lovely. So it will give you two different colors. Or you could go back to your color and just look for the one you want. But I'm going to go for the gradient. I like this one. So this is my thumbnail so far. Now I want to add other photos of other thumbnail that I have done before. Remember I told you need to add like the work that you've done already. So I want to add like the photos of other thumbnails that I've done so people can see the difference and be like, okay, I like this. I want to click on this video. You know what I mean? So you want to click on add photo. And then look for the photo that you want to use. Click on add. So I'm going to just put this one by the side. I think I'm going to move my photo a little bit more. And then put this one by the side. Click another add photo. Add a second photo. And put this one by the side. So if maybe you want to make this a little bit greater, you can just go through those things, put shadow, put border. Let me just say, let's say you want to add shadow, you can just, you see how visible that is right now, more better. The same thing here, it's kind of differentiated. Look for the shadow. You can reduce it or increase it. I'm just going to increase this one a little bit more. And there we go. So you can rearrange anything you find not to be okay. That is up to you. You could take anything up, you could take anything down, you could reduce any one. So that's basically how I create my thumbnail. Nothing hard here, but it is special. As usual, you could play with it and then make it more useful, make it more detailed, put in some things that you want, just add in stars or anything you want to add into your thumbnail. Free. The most important thing is people are able to read your text. People are able to see the thumbnail and understand, oh, this is a beautiful thumbnail. So that is what you want to make sure that you do with your thumbnail. So looking at my thumbnail right now, I really like it. I love the way it came out. But guys, like I said, feel free to make your own changes. Feel free to do whatever you want to do with your thumbnail. And that's also, once you're done like this, you want to click on apply. and then click on next. And then you're going to have this part, click on the save and download photo. That's you done. So the next one we want to do right now is to close this and go insert our thumbnail. So to apply your thumbnail, you're going to click on the YouTube Studio app. Then once you are there, you're going to click on the photo that you're going to be using to change your thumbnail. And then click on the little pencil up there. And then click on the pencil close to the screen. And then click on custom thumbnail. Go to all photos. Choose the thumbnail that we just did. And you see how beautiful our thumbnail look. And then you're going to click on select, and then you're going to save it. Once you save it, your thumbnail is going to become this very one here right now. For me, I really love this thumbnail. It's really beautiful. I would definitely click on a video with a thumbnail like this. No jokes, guys. Tell me about you. What would you do? Won't you click on a thumbnail like this? I know you will. Anyway, you can just save your thumbnail and that's you done. So that is us done with how to make our YouTube thumbnail.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So as from now henceforth, I want to be seeing that eye caution thumbnail on your video. So I want your video's thumbnail to start calling me and be saying, Sylvia, come watch me, so I can click on your video. Because if you still don't change your thumbnail as from today henceforth, I am going to get really angry, because I have given you this Picsart hunter. So you want to definitely change your thumbnail as from today henceforth, okay? Anyways, that actually completes this video. If you like it and you still not subscribed yet, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video, and then I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget one special thing: turn on your post notifications, because I'm going to be uploading every now and then. So make sure you are right here to watch my video. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, and thank you for subscribing. I love you all. Take good care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.